Good day. In this video, we are going to find the smallest number from 1 to 5. 1 is the smallest. If you know the answer, shout it aloud so that your teacher can hear you. There are 25 items for you to answer, and please take note of your score at the end of the session. Your score tells you about how good are you in the subject matter. So make it good, kid. You may use your paper and write down items 1 to 25 and your corresponding answers. Are you ready? Here are the questions. Good luck. Question number 1. Which number is the smallest? Number 2. Which number is the smallest? Number 3. Which number is the smallest? Number 4. Which number is the smallest? Number 5. Which number is the smallest? Question number 6. Which number is the smallest? Number 7. Which number is the smallest? Number 8. Which number is the smallest? Number 9. Which number is the smallest? Number 10. Which number is the smallest? Number 11. Which number is the smallest? Question number 12. Which number is the smallest? Number 13. Which number is the smallest? Number 14. Which number is the smallest? Number 15. Which number is the smallest? 16. Which number is the smallest? Number 17. Which number is the smallest? Number 18. Which number is the smallest? Number 19. Which number is the smallest? Question number 20. Which number is the smallest? Number 21. Which number is the smallest? Number 22. Which number is the smallest? Number 23. Which number is the smallest? Number 24. Which number is the smallest? Number 25. Which number is the smallest? Congratulations! This ends the lesson for the day. I hope you make it good. Otherwise, you will make it better the next time. This is Teacher Edward saying bye-bye, but don't forget to visit, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye-bye. Hey, would you like your child to be assessed in his or her mathematics skills? Then search and join our Facebook group. See you there.